Hey there, ambitious entrepreneurs. Welcome back to Wealth Wizards. If you're ready to dive into the world of e-commerce and discover how to make money online with Shopify, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to unlock the secrets of building a successful online store, maximizing your profits, and creating a thriving business using the power of Shopify. So, without further ado, let's get started. Part 1: Getting started with Shopify. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's lay the foundation. If you're new to the world of e-commerce, Shopify is your ultimate partner. It's an all-in-one platform that empowers you to create, manage, and grow your online store with ease. From beautifully designed templates to secure payment gateways, Shopify has it all. Part 2: Choosing your niche and products. The heart of any successful online store is a well-defined niche. This is where you get to showcase your passion and expertise. Research your niche thoroughly, and then start sourcing products that align with your audience's needs and desires. Remember, quality and uniqueness are key to standing out in a crowded market. Part 3: Crafting your online store. Design matters, folks. Your store's visual appeal can significantly impact your customers' experience. With Shopify's intuitive drag-and-drop editor, you can create a stunning online storefront that reflects your brand's personality. From colors to fonts, make sure every element resonates with your target audience. Part 4: Adding products and content. Alright, it's time to populate your store with products and engaging content. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of each item. Use high-quality images and even videos to showcase your products in action. And don't forget to tell your brand story through captivating About Us and contact pages. Part 5: Optimizing for conversions. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce: conversion optimization. Utilize Shopify's built-in tools to enhance user experience, such as fast loading times, responsive design, and a seamless checkout process. Implement clear call-to-action buttons and strategic upsells to maximize your sales potential. Part 6: Marketing your store. Your amazing store won't generate revenue on its own, you need to spread the word. Embrace various marketing strategies, from social media campaigns to influencer collaborations. Leverage SEO to ensure your store ranks well on search engines, and consider running paid ads for that extra boost. Part 7: Analyzing and scaling. As your store gains traction, monitoring its performance is essential. Shopify's analytics dashboard provides insights into your sales, traffic sources, and customer behavior. Use this data to identify trends, capitalize on what's working, and fine-tune what's not. As you grow, consider expanding your product line and exploring new marketing avenues. Conclusion. And there you have it, aspiring e-commerce moguls. Crafting your own online store and making money online with Shopify is an exciting journey filled with challenges and victories. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, strategic planning, and a bit of hustle, you can turn your Shopify store into a thriving online business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy selling and see you in the next video.